Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another video on how to get direction on Google Maps. If you've recently started using Google Maps and you don't know how to get directions on it, you've visited the right place. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily get directions for driving, public transit, walking or biking on Google Maps. You'll be able to find multiple routes that you'd like to choose in order to get to your destination. In order to do so, tap open the Google Maps application on your Android. Since I'm doing this on my Android, you can also do this on your computer or your iPhone and iPad. Once you tap open your Google Map application from the Explore page, go to the search box at the top and search for your destination. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the information about the location that you've selected at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the bottom, tap on Directions. From the top of the screen, choose from either driving, transit, or walking. To get the list of directions, tap the bar at the bottom that says Travel Time and Distance. If you want to choose a different route, simply tap it on in the map. Each route shows the estimated travel time on the map as you can see it on the display. Once you choose the route, tap on Start and you'll end up in this page where it says Welcome to Google Maps Navigation. Tap Got It and you'll be guided throughout the video to reach to your destination. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.